Hey folks, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark, and I'm back to do another enveloping and unboxing from a certain item. What did I get? And of course, handle with care, do not bend. Enough chit chat, y'all. Let's go to this item. Like right now, let's go, y'all. Next up, folks, another autograph. Well, well, next up, folks, this is it. Holy shit. Oh my god, is that what I think it is? Do you guys remember that scene? If you're seeing the title right there, it is from the 2010 Predators. Holy shit. And this is signed by none other than Derek Mears. You might know him. He did stunts, played characters and monsters in his career. He was the guy with the tin head in Wild Wild West in the fight scene in the giant tarantula with Jim West, played by Will Smith. Another coincidentally, Ted White, the stuntman, the veteran stuntman actor, did the stunts for that film. So coincidentally, got the best of two Jasons in that film. Except Ted White only did stunts. Derek Mears did the acting, playing one of the henchmen in the film. And that 10 years later, in 2009, he be playing Jason in Friday the 13th, 2009. And then in 2010, he be playing the classic Predator in Predators. Holy cow, folks. Oh my god. I mean, I don't care what anyone says. I like Predators. It's fun. It's cool. I want to get the other guys that play Predators. The one from this one. I want to get Ian White's signature from AVP and AVPR. But sadly, of course, Kevin Peter Hall's signature, well, he passed on, of course, in 1991. But knowing the legacy of Kevin Peter Hall that started that character many years ago, and the fact that Predator still has many followings as it did many years ago. So yeah. Alright, folks. And Derek Mears, Predator. He should have write classic Predator, because hello, he is playing the classic Predator. The helmet, the laser cannon, wrist computer, the wrist blade. Yo, perfect job. All in all, wall-to-wall, kick-ass fun. So yeah, folks. If Derek Mears comes to a signing, I'm wanting to sign my copy of one of the movies, Funko Pops, and what else? And ask him questions about the MCU. Yeah, that's what I want to talk to him about. As well as how was it like playing with Predators and such. So yeah, folks, I can't believe I got me a Derek Mears autograph. Oh yeah! So take a look at it, guys. Look at it, and if you guys look closely in this part, that's a battle damage right there. Yeah, the helmet on this one is pretty damaged because I think at some point one of the Predators like ambushed him and then crucified him on the totem pole. So yeah, look at laser cannons. Look at this, y'all. Can you say never no to this? And yes, this is a JSA, baby. Uh-huh. But all in all, folks, wall-to-wall, kick-ass fun. Also, I'm in the YouTube community, by the way. I often post what time I post my videos, whether it be the afternoon hours or the evening hours at a certain date, what time of the hour. And also, if you like content like this, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the vids, and you have any opinions, comments down below. If you want any products of autographs or such, links are in the description box down below. So anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you, and catch you on the next vid. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all. And be safe, y'all. Later.